All right, so in this video, I'm going to explain to you the instructions for what we're going to be doing for this PhET wave kind of introductory lab. So you're going to go to the link that's on today, and it's going to bring you maybe to something like this, and you're just going to hit play. Now you need to make sure that you have your Adobe Flash on and that you allow the pop-up blocker to allow you to use this site. So you want to click on water. And then this is what it's going to look like. And there's a couple of things that I want you to click on first before you start the activity. So first I want you to do side view. So click the side view. So it's going to usually probably pop up as top view. I want you to click on side view. And then you're just going to click this green button, and that's what's going to cause the energy of the water droplets to hit the water and then start creating waves. And so there is a couple of things you're going to do with it. You can increase the frequency. So over here, you can increase the frequency. You can decrease the frequency. You could put it in the middle, and then you could change the amplitude. You can increase the amplitude. Okay, and those are things I want you to manipulate. Now, if you're kind of struggling to see the waves, there is this option up here. There's this thing right here, and you can put it kind of you can put them right here together, and you could see the wave this way as well. So you could decrease the frequency, and you can see what's happening. And you can decrease the amplitude or increase the amplitude, and then it kind of goes off the graph. So that's kind of how you're going to manipulate this activity. And if you just want it off, if you want to take it off, you can just go like that and bring it back up to there, and it's gone again. So you can also slow down so you can kind of see it in this better if it's going too fast for you. So those are the kinds of interactive things that I want you to do. So I want you to try those, look at them, and then you're going to go to the assessment for today, and you're going to answer questions based off what you're discovering in this introductory activity.